Excavators are used for digging up the construction site, breaking asphalt, leveling work, movement of debris, and taking care of certain lifting jobs. Quipbank has various excavators that are used to take care of all the work on the construction site, depending on the size of the project. Digging manually will require a lot of energy, while an excavator saves you the energy. Using an excavator is very reliable, fast, convenient, and cheap. It can dig deeper and scoop large amounts of soil compared to using spades. It takes 3 men to dig a stretch of 3 kilometers for 3 days. An excavator digs a stretch of 5 kilometers for just 1 day. For more information, contact our customer service team for all construction queries and let us help you make a decision on which equipment best suits your work.